This is the Victorinox SwissCard Lite Swiss Army Pocket Utility Tool. This fits in your wallet, as you can see. It's about the size of a credit card, about the thickness of maybe 3 or 4 credit cards. And it has a nice stainless steel blade. Stainless steel scissors. Has a magnifying glass. Tweezers. Has a pen. A needle. And it also has a mini tool screwdriver set. Also has a light. And you can use it as a ruler. So it's pretty cool. Yeah, I keep mine in my wallet, and I find that I'm using it very often. So yeah, you should check one of these out. I think they're pretty cool.